too small to do a makeup tutorial. I just kicked my foot on the bathtub. It's a very nice hotel room, but it's a bit teeny tiny. Hey guys, so today I've got this endless summer glow look for you with these very glowy cheekbones. I'm going to show you 3 of my new favourite products I bought in Sephora to create this look. So I hope you'll carry on watching to see how I created this endless summer glow look. Perfect for everyday office, and then we've got after work happy hour too. So it's kind of a day to night look in one. So today's look is inspired by an endless summer glow. I am in New York City. It is boiling hot here, like it is everywhere else. Brush my curly brows through. They are so curly. Maybe I could get keratin hair straightening on my brows. I'm loving the Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydration. It is so nice, the golden glow that you want in the summer. You could just put this on and leave the house and not do any of the extra steps, and I think your look would be complete. I'll just let that soak in for a minute or so it's totally absorbed before I put any foundation or highlight on. I'm going to use my favourite foundation, and that is the Fenty in the number 320. This is the only foundation I've ever used that matches my skin and actually works for me, and I actually like using. I mean, I'm not a big foundation user, and in this heat, like, I definitely don't want to be caking it on, but you're going to see I'm just going to put a little bit on in kind of this area where I have some darkness, just to balance out the skin a little bit. Little pump on my hand. A really thin layer, guys. I'm not gonna cake it on or anything because it's too hot out there for foundation really, but a thin layer won't do any harm. A new favourite concealer I have is this Urban Decay one, medium to dark. It's really nice. I really like the finish. Now it's time for some potions. I'm going to mix the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops in the colour Fantasy and the NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush together. In this heat, I've got to put powder on because I will be so sweaty. So just to use it as a little bit of a contouring powder, but also just to set the makeup in place a little bit, because this is going to slip and slide everywhere otherwise. The lip gloss which inspired this look. The hair's got to go up, guys. It's just too hot to have anything else. My hair is getting pretty long, as you can see. Main products for the glow were definitely the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops mixed in with NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush, but also I'm loving this Becca lip gloss. It's hard to see on the camera maybe. Oh, I think I left a bit of hair out. It's hard to see on the camera, but it's absolutely beautiful for kind of dark pigmented lips and dark skin. And that's it. So I am ready to rock onto the office and get my groove on, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Bye.